Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, according to the given question we have to find probability values. So they have given 400 draws. 400 draws will be made with replacement. So the box contains the tickets 1, 3, 5 and 7. So now we have to find chance that will be fewer than 93s. So consider a new box. Consider new box that contains two numbers such as 0 represented as combined three numbers, that is 1, 5 and 7, and 1 represents 3 only. So therefore box contains total 4 numbers such as 1, 3 and 4 zeros. So the mean value will be equal to x bar n, that is equal to 1 by n summation xi. So total 4 numbers, so 1 by 4 into the values are 0 and 1. So which is equal to 0.25. Now the variance of n will be equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar n whole square. So which is equal to 1 by 4 into 0 minus 0.25 whole square plus 0 minus 0.25 whole square plus 0 minus 0.25 whole square plus 1 minus 0.25 whole square. So which is equal to 0.75 divided by 4, that is 0.1875. Now we have to find the expected value, that is EV sum will be equal to sum is multiplied with x bar n. So which is equal to 400 into 0.25, which is equal to 100, and standard deviation sum will be equal to square root of sum into variance of n, which is equal to square root of 400 into 0.1875. So which is equal to 8.660. Now we have to find the probability of requirement S3 is less than 90. So which is equal to probability of S3 minus mu n divided by sigma n, that is less than 90 minus mean is here 100 divided by 8.66, which is equal to probability of z less than minus 1.15. So according to z table it is 0.1241. Therefore the chance that there will be fewer than 93s is 0.1241. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.